Alright guys, we're going to do my observation hive today. The two things that I need to point out to you is you need to have everything ready to go, because these little girls being encased in glass can overheat real quick. As you can see, I've got this 3/4 inch blue board insulation over it. I keep that over it during the winter to help hold the heat in, so you get full frames of brood during the winter. Now, what I'm going to do today is, since I've got 2 full frames of brood, no place for the queen to lay, not much room for honey and nectar to be cured and brought in, pollen stores are at a little bit of a low because there's no place to put it. So, first thing I'm going to do is find the queen. She will be a green dot. Green dot just because that's the color I had available to give her. First pin I found when I put her in here. Alright. Hopefully she will be down on the bottom frame, because I'm going to take the middle one, the top one out, put it in a weaker hive out in the yard, give her a frame in the middle to draw and a frame up top of drone comb. Now, like I said, just to find her. And usually you do this and she'll hide in between the frames. Nope. Right there she is. I'll drag you over here so you can see her. Right there. Now this is not going to be any fun, because this hive is all glued in. By glued in, I mean propolis. 2 screws, one put in each corner of the frame, pull it out. My fillet knife I cut cells with, I also used to cut this to get it out. Trusty hive tool, drill, 2 frames. Turkey feather. Throw that bee brush, you can get at the bee stores away. All you're going to do is piss bees off for that. And she's not wanting to go down. Okay. Worst case scenario, have to make a new queen. See how easy that was? Let's see. That needs to... that needs to go up. Okay, how did I do this? You'll see why I do this in a minute. Let's see, where's she at? I do not see her. Alright, ladies. Move. Move. She's all the way down here at the bottom. Maybe she's going downstairs. That's all I can hope. What I'm currently doing is cutting this propolis, because in your hives they propolize the end bars together. Well, in the observation hive they propolize it to the glass. So you got to do the best you can before you go pulling this frame out to get that cut loose. late doing this. I should have done this about a week ago. Alright, leave you alone. And here's where your screws come into play. Fall off the dang steps. Alright, I do not see her. But I am going to look awfully close. Green dot ought to stick out. I'm looking seriously close because I don't want to go raking bees with a feather and take the chance of damaging the queen. Nope, I see her in the bottom, so we're good. All I'm going to be doing, kind of herding the bees. I'll show you what this looks like on the outside of the window when we're done. Because your nurse bees will be the ones walking all over the porch. Your field force will be the ones hanging out on the side of the... I got all kinds of bees here. Alright. Got a little 2-frame mating nuke over here to put this in till I'm ready. And as I said, we're going to put, I'm going to try to scrape that off first. I don't need you up in the pants leg. It'll be that way. As we all know, new comb is fragile. When you mash it down, for some reason it just does not want to stick to a knife to bring out. You know what? Where's she at? I don't want to do this with her. Oh well. Alright, then we put the frame for them to draw. That's out, that's that way. So we need to go. Pay attention. Latches only go one way. Latch these girls together. Take that back off. Frame a drawn comb. I'm almost come up and start working that. That way your little hinges go back together in the right spot. We're done. All I gotta do is rake the bees off this, take it back in the house, hook it back up to the tube that goes to the outside world. We're done. Thing is, you gotta get all the bees off of here. Notice how that I haven't got stung using this. Pause and I'll be right back. Then what we do is, that's what it looks like on the outside. You see different colors of pollen, all the bees going in the window. We're going to pause. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to hook it back up. Now the fun part. Get all those bees you saw out on the back and all these in here wanting to get out. And you got a couple that I missed hanging out on the glass. Well, kind of bounce it like that. You do that. You kill the small hive bee that runs out. You open the window up, bees will fly to the window, catch them by the handles and put them in either one of these holes down here, depending on where they're at. That's it. These girls are already, as you see, festooning because they need to be drawing wax. You've got some already up here at the top, starting to clean that out up top. Thanks for watching, Woolly Bees. Hit that like and subscribe. Hit that thumbs up button to help us out in the search. Like I said, these girls have got handholds. You guys have a great day. I am.